나비 졸려와? 우리 이제 목욕하고 자야 돼. 수영하고 자자. 수영. 어프. 스윙 타임. 스위밍 타임. 나비 나도. 나비 나도. 오. 이렇게? I can see your tattoo everywhere. When he turned back, he has a dragon tattoo on his chest. Everywhere, from
Can you focus on something else?
chichi
I'm gonna-
to belly button.
I'm gonna take a video of you taking video of me with your chichis hanging out. Can you hug
So I
mom?
was breastfeeding. 처음부터
Of course I'm video. You're so cute.
So cute, right?
You're all three so cute. So sweet.
안녕, 잘 가.
I'm going to work.
Okay, so go. You have a lot of legs.
If I haven't said so lately, this woman is truly my hero. Daddy had to work late today, so babies are crying. Mommy's here by herself, working so hard. Don't cry. Can you calm down for mommy? Just stay there for just 1 second. Mommy is working really hard, and she's all by herself, so don't cry. Silly. Mommy, what can I do to help you? Hello? Let's feed baby. Yogi-yo. Oh, look at that outfit. Baby, you look so cute.
She washed.
Oh, 예쁘다.
이거 끼고 밥 먹자 이제.
Did you have a hard night?
응.
I'm sorry, baby.
자, 이거 하고 엄마가 비타민 D 가지고 올게. 이거 먹고 있어.
Nabi, are you okay? Did you have too much milk? You sound like you're gonna pass out or something.
저희는 지금 세차를 맡기고 걸어가고 있습니다. Where are we going?
I don't know. We don't know.
We have to spend time.
Actually,
2 hours.
We gotta walk around for 2 hours with the babies on it.
애기 한 명씩 안고.
At least it's only 74 degrees today.
It's already hot.
It's because you wore sweatshirt. But it looks cool, right?
어.
So, pain is beauty.
Beauty and the
Beauty is pain.
브런치 먹으러 가고 있습니다. 어디 갈지는 모르는데. There is coffee shop.
You wanna go?
아니?
On the way back?
아니? Oh yeah, that's good. Banana.
Look at this little boy.
Oh.
I have his head covered.
Yeah, he's bald, so we need to protect his head.
Hey, young man. What are you doing? What about your sister? What's she doing? Head's all floppy sideways. Oh, chicha. Real life? Are you showing real life again?
저희는 부대 안에 가고 있습니다.
They never cry while we're in the car either. This is only the last couple of times they're crying while we're driving.
Maybe his stomach hurts. Or just bored.
I think he's either hungry or his stomach hurts. Because something is going on earlier. He was crying at the house for no reason.
I think we need to change the formula after this.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Why do you think that? What's making you feel that way?
Just my gut. 트래비스 포대기. Look at 나비. 나비 진짜 편해 보인다.
Happy?
She does.
Wow.
나비 행복해? 아빠가 어부지니까 좋아. Yeah, she's smile.
What? I can see her. But that's. I kind of like.
How does it feel?
Feels a little weird, like she's like pushing into my back and my back fat. But like I would rather have her here. But this is easier to work. Like
Yeah, like when you do work.
now it makes sense why like Korean women would want to wear this because you can do so much like this, and you don't have to even worry about it. Just
Yeah.
just forget about it. Just do what you're doing. I'm gonna do my work.
Okay, Mrs. Johnson.
Yo.
나비야. 잘 앉아 있네. 아이 좋아.
I got hiccups really bad.
Go do it. This
But
way,
I know the trick to get rid of hiccups.
we'll see. If you still do it,
Okay.
don't ever say it
Here you go. Ready?
to me. 뭐 하는 거야? You're drinking water?
Gone. Swear 100%.
I swear.
Yeah.
Let's
Without
wait.
a shadow of a doubt.
Let's wait 30 seconds.
Gone. I swear to you. Solution to hiccups. Promise.
You didn't fake, right?
No, I swear.
It
You
was
saw me
weird.
hiccups.
It was a real hiccup.
Yeah.
Problem reserved.
Yeah. It doesn't feel good though. Trust me. It burns. Oh, it's gone.
Your grumpy man nose is getting bigger.
Leave me alone.
Baby. 허리 아파? You don't want to do anymore?
Yeah, she wants out, Mom.
Come outside.
She wants to go.
Come.
Come on, baby
It
girl.
seems like fake to you. 자는 거야? 웃는 거야? 저기요, 어제 뭐 하셨어요? 뭐 봐? 까꿍. 나도야. 나도 공부해? 공부해요? TV 보는 거 아니지? 귀여워. I think you're watching TV. 나도 저기 또 나도가 또 있네. Another 나도 behind of you. 저희 지금 쓰레기 버리러 가고 있습니다. 한 명은 저렇게 가고 한 명은 여기.
It's so funny.
It's so funny.
Why?
Just funny.
Why is it funny?
You're wearing podaegi.
So? She
나비야.
likes it.
나비.
She likes it a lot.
아 웃겨.
Arma,
I changed.
what happened here?
아.
Nabi. Hey, Nabi. Yeah. Yeah.
Daddy, look.
Hey,
Nabiya?
sweetie. Nabi. Okay, I'll come to you. What are you doing?
What did you eat?
Baby, what is going on?
Oh my.
Mommy just changed her shirt because you did it already. Ah, your formula is about to change. You're making mommy want to change her formula.
I decided.
Oh my goodness. Poor girls. And you'll be singing, lovely, 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 lovely.
Can you shut up already?